38-year-old arrested in pre-dawn anti-scamming operation, charged.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A man believed to be involved in lottery scamming was arrested and charged on Thursday, March 31st, following an early morning operation in Blythson, St. James. He is a 38-year-old Noel Dawkins of Blythson district in the parish, and he has been charged with the possession of identity information with intent. According to the Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit, a residence occupied by Dawkins was searched during an operation by the Lottery Scamming Task Force between the hours of 4:15 and 8 a.m. During the raid, a cellular phone belonging to him was retrieved. The device was said to contain the identities of several people living overseas. Law enforcers also recovered US $5,400 and the Jamaican $430,000 in the operation. A court date for Dawkins has not yet been finalized.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!